Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is going to be another video training series. I did one in the past on affiliate marketing, and this training series here is going to be on email marketing. These are basic videos. They start out at the basic level, and they do take you to the more advanced steps. And some of them are rehashed videos. And this first video is going to be on how to start email marketing basics. So this does take you from the ground up, and there are going to be some resources and a blog post. So you can get access to those in the description. So anyway, let's go watch that video and then I'll be back. Dwayne from markdwayne.com, and this is video 1 in my training series on email marketing. And this video is on the basic concept of email marketing. Okay, this is on the basic concept of email marketing, and this is email marketing at its most basic levels. So we know that we have the basic concept of email marketing. And the whole idea of email marketing is to get someone's name and email or just their email address. And you do that with a bribe known as a lead magnet. And a lead magnet can be anything of value to get them to sign up. And you get them to sign up on what is known as an opt-in page or squeeze page, also known as a lead magnet page. It also can be a registration form. So we have an opt-in page, squeeze page, also known as a lead magnet page or even a registration form. And we exchange the lead magnet or something of value for their name and email address to get them on our autoresponder. And an autoresponder service, here are some examples. Examples are Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, and you will have to pay for these services. You usually charge a yearly fee, then there's a monthly fee, and it usually goes by how many subscribers you have on the list. So no 5 o'clock surprise. You're going to have to pay for that. And anyway, after they put their name and email address in here for the something of value, the lead magnet, it will send them to a thank you page. This is where you say thank you for signing up. The most basic levels, we're just going to leave it as thank you for signing up. It's a thank you page. Okay, now they're on your email list, which will send them to the autoresponder service. And in the autoresponder service, you got a series of email messages. These are email messages that you have in your autoresponder service. The first message is a welcome message. Welcome. Thank you for signing up. Blah, blah, blah. It's a welcome message. We'll get into that in more detail on some of the later training sessions. But anyway, after that, within about 10 minutes, you send them the download the lead magnet page right here. So we have welcome message after they sign up. It's right after they sign up. And then within 10 to 15 minutes, they got the download the lead magnet. Now, this is typically used for digital marketing. And physical products, it doesn't really work this way. And there's different types. And in the next few videos, we're going to get into the different types because there are different types of email marketing. But this pertains to digital products mainly, this particular slide here. So anyway, after you get the download the lead magnet page, then it usually sends them to what is known as an indoctrination period. That's where they can get to know you as a person. They know that you're a real person. You're developing a relationship, and you do that with about 3 to 7 emails of different things. You might give them free offers. You give them a picture of yourself. You might send them a video about yourself. You try to have a relationship with them. So then they're not so surprised or saying, "Who's that guy?" and all that stuff. So you send them out some friendly emails called indoctrination emails for a period of 3 to 7 emails. And those should be spaced out at least one every other day for about 3 to 7 emails. Then after you do that, they know who you are. So then you can start sending them promotional emails. So that's the basic concept of email marketing. You're using a bribe to get their email address on an opt-in form, and then it'll send them to a thank you page. Now they're in your autoresponder service, and the autoresponder service provides a way where you can send a welcome message, then the download page for the lead magnet. Then you send out 3 to 7 emails about an indoctrination period. That's where you tell them who you are and they get to know you. You develop a relationship. And then you can start sending them some promotional emails. So that's the basic concept of email marketing. Like I said, this basically pertains to digital products. So we're going to get into the different types in the next few videos. Okay, I'm back, and that was a video series on how to start email marketing basics, and you can get access to any resources and the blog post in the description. So I hope you learned something. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.